Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Please consider to subscribe my channel. It's a rainy day and it's about 6 a.m. in the morning and the rainy water has been accumulated at this busy road. Now we are going to clear this rainy water from this road. There is no huge rainy water at the top of that manhole which we have removed the lid. So that is why we are going to next manhole and remove the cover of manhole which take this whole rainy water inside.
और नहीं पर हैगा टक्कर
Now he is trying to find the manhole because there is a huge rainy water over the top of that manhole. Found the manhole. Now he is removing the lid of that manhole. You can watch the whirlpool right there. This manhole start taking water. It's a storm line which is specially made to remove the rainy water from this road.
Yeah. Oh, इधर
Right now the level of this water is over the manhole cover, so it's about more than 6 inches in depth. Watch that the rainy water has accumulated at the long part of the road, which about covered all the road. Water is now decreasing with a significant speed. You can watch the surface of and the top of the manhole cover is now empty. It means the level of this water is decreasing continuously. There is a whirlpool around the manhole cover and it's coming from all around. Now the main road has been cleared. Now the water is only at the pavement at the both side of road, and the main road which is used for traffic is now clear, and traffic and pedestrians are moving freely.
Ayah, ayah. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਕਰੀ ਇੱਕ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਪੰਪ
Now the water is now also coming from the sewer line, which is still surcharged, and the rainy water is now coming from that manhole, which is a manhole of a sewer line. Because after the rain, all the sewer lines got surcharged due to heavy load of water. You can watch the rainy water is now falling inside the manhole, and the level of this manhole is decreasing continuously.
ਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਲੈਣੀਆਂ
That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.